Charlotte Van Horn, Black Expats in Panama. And I'm just coming to you today live from Casco Viejo in front of this amazing mural to tell you that we have so much things going on. And we have events. We're going to be celebrating Etnia Negra. I'm going to be doing a podcast for Boss Lady Conversations. And you're going to meet some black owners, business owners today. And it's going to be a stone cold blast, baby. So sit tight. We're coming at you.
Like everyone's sitting in the table right now, right? There's a special connection, relationship with you guys. You're doing something for the culture. You know, with what you have.
We appreciate you acknowledging that.
With what you have, you're doing what you can. It's hard, it's complicated, and we want to keep and maintain and nurture this relationship. Yeah, there's ups and downs. It's a business. Shit happens. Things happen. But I want you guys to know that this is yours. You know, as it is mine, just as it is mine, it is yours. There's no one. There's no other company like no other tourism company like yours. Like what you guys are doing. I'm serious. Like I've had a restaurant for 5 years. You know, nobody's like focused on the black folks and the black culture. And educating the people. I mean, that's like, okay. Black expats, we give them love. Period.
You know what, Chef? And you know, and for me, and I think that, we've been working together a year now. Can you believe it?
Right.
And I think that the thing for me is a relationship.
Right.
And that is what is most important. And when it comes to the relationship, and then like you said, we have ups and downs, but I mean, we don't
it's
have
just like family.
Downs.
It's just like family.
We don't have many downs. And for me, if I'm down about something, I'm going to let you know.
Right.
And, but it is just like family. And that means so much to me. It really does. Yeah, and I'm sure to Chris too.
What was that?
I said, I'm sure it means a lot to Chris too.
I mean, I met Chris before I met you guys.
Yeah, he introduced us.
He came and we clicked. It's like, hey, let's work together.
And the thing about it is that there's a lot of people that we could work with, but it's about relationship, it's about professionalism, it's about delivering, and on top of the Coco does it every single time. It's consistent. And not only that, I like that you represent a young black man doing his thing. You know what I'm saying? Because you really, I'm proud of you like a mama. I mean, it's like I tell everybody.
And I appreciate the support. Like you guys, and I said it, just like I said it. You guys are key to what I'm doing. Like without you guys, it's not the same. You guys are key because you're bringing people that help us understand what we're doing better. The people you bring, the little conversations I have with them, the little conversations my staff have with them, helps my staff see another shade of black. You know what I mean? Yeah. They see black here, which is great. But there's more black around the world. You know what I mean? And you bring that in bulk. It's like, boom, okay. This is my people too. You know? And I think that's quite important. That's quite important. This is what we do. I mean, this is what we do.
This is what we do.
We were doing that.
So I am here. This is Charlotte Van Horn, Black Expats in Panama, coming to you from Tapa Del Coco. Isn't my Spanish getting good, y'all? Anyway, I'm here with Chef Isaac, one of my favorite guys in Panama, and I'm so grateful, Chef, that you took the time to sit down with me and we really tightly enjoy that meal that you all prepared for us this evening.
Well, Charlotte, I'm glad that you guys are here. And I'll have to say, the more I get to know you, the more I love you. It ain't easy. At first, it ain't easy. You ain't easy. You know? But, I mean, once you get to start to know you better and understand like what you're advocating for and what you're working on the things that you are like fighting for, then it gets easier, you know? And it gets aligned. And then it's pure love.
That's right.